Hi guys, welcome back to the Food Monologues channel. Today we will be making a savory, crispy and flavorful snack, the Matar Kachori. The portion sizes specified will include 12 kachoris. So let us start without further ado. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of flour. Add salt as per your taste, around 1 tsp. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Make a well in the center and add 4 tablespoons of ghee at room temperature as moen. Now rub the flour properly so that the ghee gets evenly distributed among the flour. Keep rubbing the flour for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of water at a time and begin gathering the flour. In a total I have added 1/2 cup of water to form a tough dough. When the dough comes together, coat it with 1 teaspoon of oil, cover with a wet kitchen towel and allow to rest for half an hour to 1 hour. In the meanwhile, boil 5 cups of water in a vessel. When the water starts boiling vigorously, add 2 cups of peas to it. Allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes and then drain this water. Now drop the peas in an ice bath. This stops the cooking and the peas remain firm. Now add these parboiled peas to a mixer jar and crush them coarsely and keep aside. In a mixer jar, add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and grind them into a coarse mixture. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and allow them to splutter. Then add 2 to 6 chopped green chilies as per the spice level you enjoy and add 1 inch of grated ginger and saute till the ginger loses its raw smell. Add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Now add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes till it loses its raw flavor. Now add the green pea paste to this mix. Now mix well and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt as per taste and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well and now add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder to this mix. Now add the ground masala to this mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves. Mix this together and now allow the mixture to desiccate by cooking for 10 to 12 minutes on very low flame and occasionally stirring it. And finally add 1 tablespoon of roasted sesame seeds. Now allow the filling to cool and keep aside. Now remove the kitchen towel over the dough. Now knead the dough. The dough must have softened a bit as the gluten must have relaxed. Now roll into a long cylinder and cut 12 equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball and make 12 such sections. Floor your rolling platform and roll about 2.5 inch disc of each ball. Place the filling in the center and gather the edges and join together to form a pouch-like structure. Remove excess dough and pinch off at the edges to make a stuffed ball. See that there is no opening in between. Otherwise, the ball might open while we are frying. Now flatten this ball and roll out a disc of around 3 inches in diameter. Lightly without giving much pressure. Roll out a thick disc this way. Heat oil in an iron wok. When the oil is hot, slide in the kachori into the oil. The temperature of the oil should be medium hot as the frying should take place at a low speed. Do not make the oil very hot as it will brown the kachori despite being raw inside. Now push hot oil occasionally on the kachori without disturbing it. When one side is done, flip it and allow the second side to be fried golden brown. Fry on both sides till it is becoming a golden brown ball. Fry it and place on a paper towel to drain off excess oil. Similarly, fry all the kachoris into golden brown balls. Accompany this with some tamarind date chutney or some mint coriander chutney, some onions, and fried and salted chilies. Enjoy this as a snack with a hot cup of masala chai. Let us take a recap. The ingredients for the recipe are displayed here. A list of written, downloadable, and printable instructions is mentioned in our blog at www.thefoodmonologues.com. Do visit our website for more interesting and delicious recipes. The link is mentioned in the description below. If you like this recipe, do share with friends and family and give the video a like. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.